welcome to Fresher Bee. In today's video, we'll see all the detailed information about 10 free training courses on machine learning and artificial intelligence. So machine learning and artificial intelligence are the two trending topics these days. So we'll see absolute free courses about these two topics. So before moving forward with today's video, let me tell you about our channel. We provide all the latest information regarding various job openings and about the onboarding procedure of multiple MNCs and all the information regarding such trending technology related courses and all the other detailed information. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can be updated with all the latest videos of this channel. So let's move forward with today's video, which is about 10 free training courses on machine learning and artificial intelligence. So firstly, we'll see what is the difference between machine learning and artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are not interchangeable terms. That is, the machine learning is a sort of a subset of artificial intelligence, which is a part of computer science trying to develop a machine which is capable of its own intelligent behavior. Then the question rises, like, what is machine learning? The science of getting computers to act without being explicitly programmed. So I'll say this once again, the definition of machine learning. Machine learning is basically the science of getting computers to act without being explicitly programmed. So you need both the AI and ML experts to make smart machines that are truly intelligent. So we have to work with both the machine learning and artificial intelligence together to make smart machines that are truly intelligent. So we'll see total 6 courses on machine learning, which are absolutely free, and further we'll see 4 artificial intelligence courses. So the very first course about the machine learning in today's video is the course by the machine learning by Andrew Ng. So this is a course provided by Coursera. So the co-founder of Coursera, Andrew Ng, takes this 11-week course. He is an associate professor at Stanford University and the chief scientist at Baidu. As an applied machine learning class, it talks about the best machine learning techniques and statistical pattern recognition and teaches you how to implement learning algorithms. So broadly, it covers supervised and unsupervised learning, linear and logistic regressions, regularizations, and naive Bayes. He uses Octave and MATLAB. The course is rich in case studies and recent practical applications. So this is a very good course. So you can just go for this course for all the machine learning information. So the second course is Udacity's Introduction to Machine Learning. So I'll tell you the information about this course. A part of Udacity's Data Analyst Nano Degree. This approximately is about a 10-week course which teaches all you need to know to handle data sets using machine learning techniques to extract useful insights. Instructors Sebastian Thrun and Katie Malone will expect the beginners to know that the statistical concepts in Python. So this course basically teaches you everything from clustering to decision trees, from ML algorithms such as SVMs. People also recommend you take the Foundation Intro to Data Science course, which deals with data manipulation, data analysis, data communication, with information visualization and data at scale. So also furtherly, if you consider the another course like Introduction to Data Science is also a very useful course if you are considering. So further, the third course is EDX's learning from data, that is introductory machine learning. So the instructor of this course is Yasir Abu Mustafa, who is a professor of electrical engineering and computer science at the California Institute of Technology. He will teach you the basic theoretical principles and algorithms and applications of machine learning. So the time duration of this course is totally 10 to 12 hours per week and lasts totally for 10 weeks. So further we'll see the fourth course, that is statistical machine learning. So your instructor of the series of video lectures on YouTube in advanced machine learning is Larry Wasserman, who is a professor in the Department of Statistics and in the Machine Learning Department at the Mellon University. So this is a very good course for all the information about machine learning. So the fifth course in today's video we'll see is the Coursera's Neural Networks for Machine Learning. So this is offered by the Coursera. So the Professor Gregory Hinton, who also works at Google's Mountain View facility from the University of Toronto, teaches this course for around 16-week advanced course offered by Coursera. So a pioneer in the field of deep learning, Hint's lecture videos on YouTube talk about the application of neural networks in image segmentation and human motion, about the modeling language, speech and object recognition, and so on. So this is a very good course if you are considering for learning neural networks for machine learning. This is an absolutely free course for everyone. So the sixth course in today's video we'll see is about the Kaggle R tutorial on machine learning. So this course is offered by DataCamp, which gives us an interactive learning experience that will help us to ace all the competitions. So if you are considering to learn machine learning, so R is the language you have to learn. So this course is about the R language. So next, after seeing all the information about the various machine learning courses, now we'll move forward and see the courses related to the artificial intelligence. So the very first course about the artificial intelligence is offered by EDS, which is EDX's artificial intelligence. So this exciting course from EDX talks about the AI applications such as robotics and NLP, that is natural language processing, machine learning, which is a branch of AI algorithms, and data structures, games and constant satisfaction problems. The duration of this course is around 12 weeks and is an advanced level tutorial from Columbia University. So you can absolutely go for this course, which is absolutely free of cost. So the second course about the artificial intelligence is Udacity's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. So this course is basically expected to teach you AI's representative applications. So it is a part of its machine learning engineering nano degree program. So instructors Sebastian Thun and Peter Novick will take you through the fundamentals of artificial intelligence, which includes bias network, statistics and machine learning, and also artificial intelligence applications such as NLP, robotics and image processing. So the third course is Artificial Intelligence Principles and Techniques, which is offered by Stanford University. So this Stanford University course talks about how artificial intelligence uses math tools to deal with the complex problems such as machine translation, speech and face recognition, and autonomous driving. Anyone can access the comprehensive lecture outline machine learning concepts such as tree structures, dynamic programming, heuristic, game playing, also the constraint satisfaction problems, Bayesian network and logic. So all these contents are included in this course, which is offered by Stanford University. And further we'll see about the fourth course, which is about the Udacity's Artificial Intelligence for Robotics by Georgia Tech. So this course is offered by Udacity. So this course talks about programming a robotic car the way Stanford and Google do it. It is a part of the Deep Learning Anno Degree Foundation course. So Sebastian soon will talk about localization and particle filters, PID control and SLAM, strong grasp of math concepts such as linear algebra and probability, knowledge of Python and programming experience are good to have skills if you are going for this course. So in this way, we have seen all the 10 absolutely free courses which helps us to learn machine learning and artificial intelligence. So in this way, we have finished today's video about all the courses. I have given you all the detailed information regarding the 10 courses that I have mentioned in this video. So I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to Freshobi for more such videos. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.